Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Nail Art Madness. Today I'm going to be doing a Born Pretty Chameleon nail polish swatch. This one is number 201 and it's a blue and purple metallic mix, 6 milliliters. The supplier offers many of the Born Pretty Chameleon polishes, and here are some of those. If you're interested in any of the polishes seen here, they are $3.59 with free shipping. The shipping, although free, is not expedited. The polish took about 3 weeks to arrive, so you do have to have a little bit of patience if you do purchase this polish. For this Chameleon polish to look and work right, you need a black base coat. And for this, I'm using Broadway Nails Gel Strong G115 black nail polish. I purchased this at my local Dollar General for $2. So I'm going to start off by painting my nails with this black polish and use it as my base coat. You really want your base coat to be really opaque, so depending upon the formula and the brand that you're using, you may need to do more than one coat. Now that my black base coat is completely dry, I can now go in and add my Born Pretty Chameleon nail polish. I'm going to start off with a thin layer. And as you can see, you can automatically pick those blue hues up coming off of the nail. I'm going to go ahead and finish out the rest of my nails, and then I'm going to go back and add a second coat. Now that my polish is dried, I'm going to really quick add my top coat. Look at that color. Isn't that beautiful? The blue and purple metallic colors just radiate off of the nail. It's not a very loud polish. You are going to be able to wear this to school, to work, to meetings, anywhere. It's a very soft nail polish and it sits very well on the nail. So rating this polish from 0 to 5 stars, I definitely would give it 5 stars. The formula is great. It's really easy to apply. You have a very quick dry time with this polish, and it looks amazing. The only downside to it is that it's not cruelty free. PETA does not have Born Pretty on their cruelty free list. I did message the Born Pretty website and they have yet to respond. If that changes, I will update that in the description box below. If you're interested in vegan and or cruelty-free polishes, there will be a link in the description box as well that will take you to a list of cruelty and or vegan-free polishes. And that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Subscribe for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit your bell for notifications when I upload new content. And I will see y'all next Saturday. Bye guys.